Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Vinfen Daily Check-In. I am so glad that you've joined us today. My name is Matt, and today's Thursday, June 11th. The weather for today is going to be a high of 77 degrees, and we may get some thunderstorms later in the afternoon. Now, we haven't gotten rain in a little bit, so that could be good for the plants out there. Well, yesterday we discussed what it means to be in phase 2 of the governor's reopening plan for Massachusetts. And if you missed that video, I'm going to include a link at the end of this video so you can go back and watch it. Today, we're just going to have one video to share with you, and it's going to be about hand washing. Hand washing is so important that we're just going to have one video about hand washing today. And it's going to be coming from Kate and Kim at South Shore Day Hab.
Good afternoon, everybody from Vinfen. I'm here with Kate Mullen today. And today, Kate is going to demonstrate how to wash your hands effectively. So now Kate is going to begin by turning on the water. She's going to wet her hands and use a pump of soap. She's going to scrub her hands in between her fingers, her thumbs, on top of both of her hands, her wrists, for 20 seconds. And a good way to remember 20 seconds is maybe singing happy birthday while you're washing your hands. Kate will rinse her hands and then reach for a paper towel. Dry her hands and then use the paper towel to shut off the faucet so she does not get her hands dirty again. And because we are washing our hands so frequently these days, it helps to be kind to our hands and use a small amount of lotion to moisturize them. Does that feel nice, Kate?
Really nice.
Okay,
Stay
everybody,
safe, everyone.
Stay safe. This is Kim from South Shore Day Hab and with my assistant, Kate Mullen. Have a great day.
Thanks so much for that reminder about hand washing, Kate and Kim. I really appreciate that. And now I want to show you guys what I use for hand washing. Sometimes you can use liquid hand soap. Sometimes you can use bar hand soap. And remember that hand washing is so important. You have to do this all throughout the day. Let's think of some times when you have to wash your hands. So I could think of after you go to the bathroom, before you eat. Well, now because of the coronavirus, we want to make sure we're washing our hands before we go outside. And also after we come in from being outside, we want to make sure we wash our hands. Now, when we return to day program, even though we might not know when that is, we're going to have to be washing our hands a lot to make sure that we can stay safe and stop the spread of germs. So washing hands is so important, and that is going to be our reminder for today. Well, that brings us to the part of our daily Vinfen check-in where we love to hear from you. That's right, it's time for our Vinfen Daily COVID Time Capsule Question of the Day. I sometimes forget it. It's called the COVID Time Capsule Question of the Day. We love our time capsule questions because that means we can hear from you and hear what's going on in your life, how you're feeling, what's going on. So our question for today is this. What questions do you have about returning to the day program? It's a good question. What questions do you have about returning to the day program? Well, we know that we don't know when we're going to be able to return to the day program yet, but I think some of you out there might have some questions about what it's going to look like when we can return to the day program. I would love to hear from you. You can always email us at dayservices@vinfen.org. That's dayservices@vinfen.org. Maybe it's going to be in this corner. Maybe today it's going to be in this corner. I don't know. Anyway, we love hearing from you. All right. That brings us to the end of today's video, and as you know out there, we always love to link to an activity that we can all participate in together. And today's activity is going to be an origami activity. So origami is folding of paper to make shapes, and if you remember, I made this origami heart a few weeks back. Well, today we're going to be making an origami box, so a little box made out of paper, which should be fun. I'm looking forward to it. I hope that you're staying safe and healthy out there. We are thinking of you, and we love talking with you every day. Hope you have a great day, and as I always say, see you later. Bye.